Henan Torise Biomaterials Company Limited is located in Nanle County, Henan Province, China. We have been in business since 2013. We are one of China's large and leading compostable and biodegradable resin providers and compostable bag manufacturers. We have a fully integrated supply chain in which we do the research and development of our resin and then manufacture and design our products using the same resin. Our core resin is produced as an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional plastics. Our products are made from cornstarch and other organic polymers that break down within 45 days in an ideal compostable environment. We can manufacture our products according to the following global composting standards: Australian AS4736, AS5810, American ASTM D6400 BPI, European EN13432, OK Compost, OK Compost Home. From our raw materials to the inks we use on finished products, everything we manufacture will break down naturally and not harm the environment. With up-to-date testing equipment, we can test for the following: tear resistance, tear strength, elongation, shelf life and aging test, loading weight and drop impact test. We have worked with major companies across Europe, Australia, Canada, and the USA. Our team is always available to discuss your requirements and work with you to find the solution to your compostable needs.